Hey everyone, thank you for watching my brand new video. Today we're going to be talking changing the air filter on your Equinox Terrain or Cadillac SRX. Doesn't matter, well, Cadillac is 6-cylinder only. Doesn't matter if you have a 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder on the Terrain or the Equinox. It's all the same filter, all the same way to change it. It's very simple, easy thing to do, and something you want to do very periodically, maybe once a year, depending on how much you drive, maybe once every 2 years, again, depending on how much you drive around. But we'll get right to that now. Before I do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, the usual YouTube stuff. And of course, if you do dislike, make sure to just let me know below. Let me know what's up with the video so that way I can make it better for you guys in the future. But other than that, let's get right to it. So what do you need to do this job? Other than your brand new air filter, that's it. Either a Phillips head screwdriver, which is the star point here, or a drill with a Phillips bit, anything like that. You need a bit of a longer one if you're going to use a drill, but that's all you'll really need to do this job. Nothing else is required. Now the first thing is locating your filter, and it's located in this box right here. This is the 4-cylinder Ecotec engine. The 6-cylinder would be the same thing, just bigger, 6-cylinder, but it's filled up in here, but it uses the same intake plenum over here. It uses the same intake box. So you just have to open this up to get to your filter. All that is held on with is 4 screws, and that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So just getting a screwdriver, like I showed you before, or a drill or anything like that, just pop those 4 off, and you get right out. So I'm going to go ahead now and remove the 4 bolts, going 1, 2, 3, 4, just using my drill. Of course, make sure you're exercising caution not to drop the screws or anything like that. So just once removed the 4 screws, you just lift this right up, and while it's up, you can go ahead and just grab your filter right there. Now once I open a filter, I always like to visually inspect it. See the condition, see how it looks. This is not too bad, as you can see here. Some of them do get pretty bad though, and they can, depending on how much you drive, where you drive, and what goes on, you know, it could really be really bad and gunked up in here. I'll also give it a little bit of a smell too, to smell if I smell any fuel or I smell any contaminants or anything like that in the filter itself. You should have a very light fuel smell maybe, because there will be some coming back into the intake, but it shouldn't be too bad. It shouldn't be overpowering. Like I shouldn't be holding it here and smelling it. So now putting everything back together is just the reverse. So we've got the brand new filter here. You just lift this right up, slip your new filter in, make sure it fits nice and snug. Drop this back down and line up all the holes. And then grab your drill or your Phillips head and just put everything back in. One. Two. Three. Got it. And 4. That's it. Brand new air filters in. You're ready for some clean driving for your engine. As always, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to let me know. Other than that, I want to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next video.